Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change wallpaper in your Vivo Y15. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, you need to jump over in the device settings section. After clicking on settings section, scroll down and then you will find here something called lock screen, home screen and wallpaper. So you're going to click that. After click over there, in the under you will find the last one which is saying wallpaper. If you choose that, here it's saying to choose the wallpaper you want. You can see here some custom wallpaper, also some library wallpaper. Also you can download more wallpaper from the store. But one thing's more, you might be want to set the wallpaper from your gallery. You want to add some favorite, your pictures or etc. So in order to do that, you need to just simply click this upper side, this picture icon, and now it's going to appear the picture you want. You can easily choose any of picture, or you can just go on back. For example, I'm going to choose this one, and now if it's appear, you can see here saying apply. So if you click that apply, that will give you set to lock screen or set to desktop. So you're going to click here set to desktop. After that, we will see successfully my phone this wallpaper is changes. Now you're seeing the match icon color with the wallpaper continue to use. We're going to click here continue, because this is how you can easily change a wallpaper in a Vivo Y15. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.